Okay, let's now talk about the Reserve Bank of India, which has released the minutes of the Monetary Policy Committee meeting that was held between the 3rd and 6th of June, after which key rates were cut by 25.25% for the third consecutive time. It was a unanimous decision by all members of the Monetary Policy Committee to cut the key rates. The minutes of that meeting reveal the growth concerns were on top of the minds of those members. My colleague Avni Raja is now joining us live from the newsroom. Avni, so this is something we've been talking about very, very closely, talking about a lot here on Mirror Now, which is with concerns about growth. And now we find out from the minutes of this meeting that it was top of the agenda for the RBI MPC committee as well.
Well, that's right, Viren. In fact, the biggest concern here was the slowing growth and the economic slowdown that we've been seeing. That came across from all the members individually have talked about the slowdown, and which was one of the main reasons why there needed to be this reduction in the rates. Remember that this is the third time that the RBI has cut rates by 0.25%, but the translation of that has not come in for consumers in the form of lower interest rates for loans that people take. And that is the other area of concern, that while the RBI is going ahead and cutting the rates, it's not really translating into lower rates for the consumers. So that is the other factor here. But as far as the overall picture goes, the slowdown picture goes, it is something that all the members have really spoken about. They're talking about also questioning how deep could this slowdown really be. And also some of them say that we could expect the slowdown to continue for the next 1 year as well. But now all eyes are, of course, on the budget, because the committee really says that depending on how the budget is outlined, there will be also the impact of that on inflation that will then play a role in whether or not there should be further reductions in the rates, Viren.
Right, Avni. Thanks for putting that entire story in perspective for our viewers.